Ladies and Londas, Namaskara, Nanu Zisha, Bengaluru inda. So obviously, rocking star Yash film barta ide andre full excitement. I watched all Geetu Mohandas films, searched and found them wherever I could because I wanted to figure out who is this person who Yash had trusted with his career post KGF 2. And trust me, when I say Nijja, ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು and I was really looking forward to this film. What did we get in return? We got delays after delays, postponement, cringe mele cringe trailers and promotional material to the point where people have responded to my story laughing and asking why. Why you have gone to see this film? It was obvious it was going to be bad. Hesru toxic ide alva. After that also if we go and see the film means joke is on us. I right now feel like the clown in that circus. ಆ ಥರ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. Anyway, I saw it so you can save your money because tickets are very expensive. Geetu Mohandas ki directed, yeah, should I say ghost directed, because I refuse to believe she directed this film. It stars Yash as writer, also actor, also producer. Yeah, kappa. Could have just focused on one thing, alva. Anyway, this film also has Kiara Advani, Huma Qureshi, Nayanthara, Rukmini Vasant amongst others. Toxic mota moti hai about एक भाई एक बहन जिनका बचपन बहुत ही मुश्किल से गुजरा है और अब वो रिवेंज चाहते हैं, दुनिया पर कब्जा करना चाहते हैं. वेरी KGF वाइब्स, हाउ डू माइनस द मॉम एंगल. इट इज सेट इन 1940s इन गोवा एंड मकाओ और ये फिल्म वाकई में पुराने वक्त ख्यालात में फंसी पड़ी है. फिर वो कैसे अपना धंधा, अपनी लाइफ, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स नेविगेट करते हैं, दैट इज द रेस्ट ऑफ द फिल्म. व्हाट वर्क्स इन द फिल्म? द प्रेमाइस. Okay, there is a complex, layered person and his story here which really could have been something. But ego कहानी से बड़ा है, art से बड़ा है, and that lies the failing and the problem of this film. Kiara is gorgeous, so pretty. Tara is also so pretty. Nayanthara's styling is so amazing. But all the women barely have any lines. Don't even call them by their names most of the times. The child actor who plays the teenage son has done a fantastic job. उसका नाम मुझे ना विकी पे मिला, ना IMDb पे मिला, ना डायरेक्टर के Instagram पोस्ट में मिला. चंद सीन्स है उसके, but he does so well. If you find out his name, please let me know in the comments. Yash as Raya and Ticket tries, okay, and he's not a bad actor at all, but there is nothing in the film to support that talent. What doesn't work in the film? Everything else. दोस्तों, कहानी कुछ है ही नहीं. एनिमल की तरह ही हेट्स कि उसे कैसे बचपन गुजारना पड़ा, कैसे बड़ा होना पड़ा, एंड देन ही डज द एग्जैक्ट सेम ट्रॉमेटिक बुलशिट टू हिज चाइल्ड. Everyone is hamming so hard, it is cringe pro max to have to sit through that torment for 3.5 hours. Interval गिनते हुए. इतना desperate attempt है at creating an aura with that foot-long beard and equally tall hair. He's blowing up symmetries, okay? Over 3 hours of sex, suks, alcohol, smoking, violence, absolutely pointless, illogical, unnecessary stuff. Slow-mo walking, slow-mo fighting, slow-mo you will feel your will to live evaporating. And the dialogues. It is so evident that Yash has written it because his name comes before Geetu Mohandas when it comes to writer credits. It is very obvious. It's extremely crass. And seeing that non-existent narrative play out tells you everything you need to know. एक scene में कियारा का character जो है नादिया, वो उससे पूछता है, You think I'm the bad guy? And Kiara says, No, I just think you're toxic. बहन. Toxic in the Merriam-Webster dictionary is defined as containing or being poisonous material, especially when capable of causing death or serious debilation. AKA fatal, AKA जानलेवा, मतलब bad से कई गुना बदतर. पूरे वक्त he talks about how he wants to have sex with her and then goes on to say, kill that bitch, she means nothing to me. Proceeds to be very abusive and violent. And what does she do in return? Throws herself at him because abuse is so hot and attractive. Oof. Ruku also, Rukmini Vasant, comes only in the second half and she also throws herself at him. What is so attractive? I'm glad I will never understand that. हमें बताया जाता है कि कियारा इज द स्टार अट्रैक्शन एंड ओनर ऑफ दिस सर्कस, बट लिटरली नथिंग इज शोन टू अस अबाउट हर. कोई कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं है कि हु इज नादिया, हाउ डिड शी रीच हियर, व्हाट मेक्स हर सो अमेजिंग इन दिस सर्कस. नो इनसाइट इनटू व्हाई ही फील्स सो हिमसेल्फ when he is with her. Like that could have really been explored more. And when the star performer की performance आती है, it is so underwhelming and lame. इससे ज़्यादा कैटरीना कैफ ने कर दिया था in Dhoom 3 as a circus performer. Most songs are also terrible. Literally one of the song lyrics is his aura hits you into 10-20 times. His aura hits you. His aura hits you. Just please. He is also hitting everybody. In one scene, he says, if peace was the solution, why have there been wars for so many centuries? Brother, you are so close to getting the answer. Let me spell it out for you. Greed and capitalism. At one point, he says, violence is my mother tongue. Universal language is violence. सबको पता है यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज इज पैसा, जो ये फिल्म बनाएगी नहीं जितना बनाना चाहिए था. तो बेसिकली इट इज़ तबाही ऑफ सिनेमा, तबाही ऑफ आर्ट, तबाही ऑफ एक्टिंग, तबाही ऑफ हमारा वक्त. आई एम सो क्यूरियस टू नो what the actual original script was before it became all this tabahi. Anyway, I love a self-aware film. अपना नाम ही रख लिया है टॉक्सिक, तो इसके बावजूद भी अगर आप जा रहे हो फिल्म देखने, then the joke is on us. But if you're a Yash fan, you should watch this film because April 2022, 4.5 years ನೀವು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ for this, so go watch it. But if you're a cinema fan, you should watch Muthan. What a beautiful film made by Geetu Mohandas. I cannot believe it's the same person who did both these films. So yeah, if you also love cinema, you should like, share, comment, subscribe. सिनेमा के वीडियोस यहाँ पर आएंगे. मैं कोशिश करूँगी टू बी मोर रेगुलर, बट मजदूरी और मजबूरी के बीच दोस्तों कटी पड़ी है ज़िंदगी की. बट एनीवे, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.